So here is the official site. So in this video we will learn how we can create this app, and we'll explore all the things in this library of framework. Okay, so yes, so empower the web community and invite more build across the platform. So you can create a Android, iOS and the web apps using this. Write once, render anywhere. So in React Native you can only create the Android and iOS app, and using React.js you can create the web apps. But if you want all three in once, you have to use LynxJs. Okay, so here it is an example. Okay, so start building with Lynx. Okay, so we'll explore each and every points here. Okay, so here is the system requirement. You have to install the node.js. I already have a node.js. Okay, so let's jump to the commands. Okay, in quick start we have to install some packages. Okay, here is my prep. Let's press the command and run the command. Okay, so basically it's creating the RSPD projects. So we have to give the project name here, which is, yes, you will use the typescript. You can choose JavaScript if you want. And so select additional tools. Okay, so add tool for Lynx. I'm going to add yes. Okay, so now I go to the my projects directory. Okay, for Arsenal install export. Now we have to download this explorer. Let's download it. Okay, yeah, so I have downloaded the explorer. Here is the explorer. Okay, so currently it's not supporting on this Mac, so we will directly install the yarn. Okay, so we are installing the yarn first after creating the project. Meanwhile, let's explore other things. So after install the yarn, we have to okay, using this we can start the development server and make the first step. Okay, so this is the app.tsx file for this app. You can use this dev tool also. Okay, you can check this link. I will provide all the links and everything which you use in this video in the description. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, yeah, so I think you already familiar with this web tools, because if you use the React Native previously or React.js. Okay, so next step is tutorial, thinking, React link, elements, styling, scrolling, layout, integration. Let's check the app. It's taking some time. So you can integrate the links in your existing app also. So what is in this tutorial? Let's check the tutorials. Okay, so let's first have a look at the result to see the mesh will live downloading. Okay, so once you download the Lynx Explorer, you can scan the code and run the same code in your app. Okay, JSX files. So this is the tutorial we check describing UI. Okay, so you can check the UI elements. Let's open this elements. Okay, so if you previously worked on React Native, you can see there is a component called text. On that we have to render our text, right? But it is in capital in React Native, but it's a small in the Lynx. Okay, because basically it's a HTML tag which it's used in the React. Okay, so it's a opening tab and the content and the closing tag. Okay, so I think, okay, we have a similar tags same as the React. We can use the same tags on the React. But okay, view, you can use the view also. In React we use the div, and inside the div we use the other HTML text to render the content like h1, paragraphs, span and all. In React Native we use the view and the text, but component name is different. We use in capital in the React Native, and in Lynx we have to use in small. Okay, so let us start the dev server. So I'm just running the simple command yarn run dev. So we have done basic installation on all the things. Just our yarn server is starting, dev server is starting. Okay, so your server is started. Just scan this QR code and you can run your app in your device.